The new reality of our housing market is that 7, 8, and 9% interest rates are here to stay for a while. My name's Alex. I'm with eXp Realty. I'm a local real estate agent here in South Placer County, and I've been watching this market evolve. We got punch drunk on low interest rates for really the last, 5, 8 years. But now this is the reality, and I think the reality is healthy for the market because 7% interest rates is really where we should be. Historically, 7% interest have been the average. The Fed met this week and they kept rates the same, and they think there's going to be a soft landing. But my argument is that we're beyond the soft landing. They say inflation's at 4.5% and they want to get it down to 2%. But really, when you factor in fuel, food, and housing, inflation is actually about 7.5%. So the Wolf of Wall Street, they put out their take on what's going on with the Fed and interest rates hikes, and they say the Treasury markets get Memo with subject line higher for longer, but someone scribbled in next to it, maybe forever. This could be our reality for the next foreseeable future. I say 24 to 36 months at least before we see any rate changes. So with this being our new reality, I'm going in and I'm looking at the market and saying, okay, what's out there for buyers? In other words, do we have grant programs? Do we have down payment assistance? And we certainly do. So I came up with this blog, 14 first-time home buyer grants and programs for nurses, first responders, and law enforcement. And really anyone buying a house can really qualify for these programs. But the reason I focus on the professional class is because you got to have income. Houses are expensive, and so people that have income are the most likely to qualify. So that's my take on the market here for this week. I hope you found this information useful. Please comment on it, give me a like, share it with your friends, and I'll catch you on the next video. Thanks.